Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to unbox a product which I found really interesting. It is eyewear video recorder, which I'm holding right now. So inside the packaging we can see the protection case which the eyewear glasses include. And this is great, you can carry your glasses anywhere you want, it'll be safe in this case. So the product includes several things. The first thing is micro USB, which charges the glasses. The next thing is the user manual. Also, it includes soft cloth for you to clean your glasses. And the final product, which I'm really excited to see, this is the glasses. The glasses that can record video. This is awesome. Let's put it on and let's see how it looks. Well, it looks great. I think the best scenarios for me to use these glasses is when I'm out cycling or going on an adventure, seeing some things, and the things that I want to record while I'm there. This is really awesome because it has camera and also it is hidden. The camera is stationed in this part right here. The video recording is 1920 to 1080p and of course 30 frames per second. It records in AVI format and the picture pixel is JPEG 4032 to 3024. It is a quite high resolution for a camera like this that's positioned literally inside of glasses. Nothing is visible where the camera is or where the electronics are. First we need to charge the glasses with a port that the glass has in a hidden place. Then there's a button inside of this side and we press it. I can see the red light from this part. The glasses right now is in a standby position, so it doesn't do anything now, but if I want to take a picture, I'll just press it once. Boom, it's gonna take a picture. Let me take a picture of my computer. And it's also very easy to take a video. With just pressing the button for 2 seconds, it will start flashing 3 times. And after that, the glasses start to take the video. As you can already see on the screen, there is a video output, and this is how it looks. Let's see myself. I think I'm visible, I'm not sure yet, but we'll see in the post. And let's see my computer and how it looks. It's also very easy to turn off the glasses. We can just press the button for a period of time, and then it stops blinking and now it's done. It's off. I think these glasses are amazing and I hope you found this video informational, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.